more than 100,000 sexual assaults committed every year in the U.S., and survivors have no way of knowing if their sexual assault kit has been tested. Until now. Our secure web-based system, STaCS, provides tracking and status updates 24 hours a day to everyone involved in collecting and processing sexual assault cases, including survivors. STaCS ensures that all stakeholders are informed. It also tracks testing status and prevents kits from being delayed or lost. Most importantly, STaCS allows survivors to easily and discreetly track the location and status of their sexual assault kit. The tracking process begins as soon as a nurse scans a kit into the system. STaCS then notifies the proper law enforcement agency that the kit is ready for pickup. STaCS records precisely when law enforcement picks up the kit and when they deliver it to the DNA laboratory. Lab staff can view the status of all collected kits that are in transit to their lab. They are immediately notified if delivery or lab testing is late. Prosecuting attorneys can easily review information on kits assigned to their jurisdictions. Survivors of sexual assaults have the option to receive email and text notifications concerning their kit's tracking status. STaCS also provides them access to resources and contact information. STaCS keeps everyone in the loop from the moment a sexual assault kit is collected until results are reported. Contact STaCS DNA for a STaCS demo or to learn more.